Hello everybody, it's the Gutter Goddess. Here's my brother. And what is that noise? Okay, so here's my padlock thing that I dug up with my little detector, which is right over here next to my drone. It's pretty good working because I found all this. Here's a part of an old knife. This one, I think it's part of an old knife too, but I'm not sure. Like one of those flips. You guys can leave down in the comments what you think this is. Here's a bottle cap. Can't really figure out what this is. I don't care because I can't bring this up inside here. And then I got another bottle. And then I got a nail that's very bent. And whatever this is. Piece of metal. So yeah, that's what my finds. And yeah, I'm not going to show the logo, the cyclone thing. So yeah, this is my last fully edited video because I have to get rid of my iPad at the end of the year. So yeah. There's a bird right there. This one's called Hoppy. His son is Hoppy too. There's a lot of birds that come to our house because we feed them and stuff, so yeah. Say hi. And he went in the shadows. So yeah, here's another one right there. Oh, that one's still right there. Still in the corner. I don't want to go towards them though. So bye guys, see ya. Oh, that one's Baggy right there. The one that just popped his chest. That one's Needy. And he flew away.